In all my years helping homeowners troubleshoot water problems, one of the biggest reasons for the water problems that I've seen over the past 3 decades are their gutter downspouts. Either they're not ran underground far enough, because they do need to be, I like 30 feet. That's a good number. I know that Home Depot and all these other places, they sell these pieces of drain tile that are only 10 feet long, and they promote the 10 foot. So guess what? Then we all get programmed. Well, don't let them do that to you. You really need to be, again, I like to be about 30 feet away from homes and structures with our discharge end of our downspouts. Now, it does obviously make a difference if you have a lot of slope. If you got a lot of slope, well, hey, that 10 feet, that might be enough, but rarely is it. So I want you to keep that in mind. Also, watch our videos on our dual wall underground systems, and I'm here to tell you about our torrential rain system. So we have a kit that basically increases the amount of water that your downspout can move. It quadruples the volume of water that you're going to move. It's just ridiculous. It's absolutely amazing. We're going to show you some videos. I'm going to show you some comparisons of a traditional 2x3 and a 3x4 so that you can see the difference. And of course, we have this kit for you. It's called the French Drain Man Torrential Rain. It's powder coat aluminum. These are the 3 main components, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Check it out. Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I'm here to talk about how to get the most out of your downspouts. What we learned here at French Drain Man is the trouble started right at the downspout. This is just for testing. You're going to see why we have this set up the way we do, but I just wanted to show you the torrential rain kit. This is what goes into your corrugated pipe. It could be your dual wall or your single wall, and you want to connect that through bolt. That's a stainless steel through bolt, but that's what you really want at the bottom. We're set up for testing, and then you have about at a 5-foot height, you just have this through bolt and a wing nut, and that's how easy this will come apart too. You'll take this through bolt out, and you'll take this through bolt out, and you could take this down to clean it, and we'll show you that as well. So let's get up on the roof and take a look at what we've done. It looks so nice that now we have to replace the gutters. God, it's beautiful, to be honest with you. Okay, so this is your standard gutter outlet. It ain't much. That's the torrential rain. I mean, look at that. We're going to show you what that does. I'm going to show you some clips of our independent testing. I think you're going to be very impressed. So this is an aluminum powder coat. These are the 3 main components. The through bolt on the bottom. This goes up, and this part here goes behind the gutter, the back of the gutter, and then you put a couple of just small screws to hold it in place. That's it. Then on the outside, you'll put another couple screws. And that pretty much ends, you know, we have a template to cut this out to size and fold the aluminum down, and it goes together so easy, guys. It's just ridiculous. And you can go to Home Depot and get this nice vinyl. I mean, this is the big boy downspout. So if you really want to throttle up your rooftop drainage system, it's real easy to do. And you can just see how these tree seeds and debris just been flushing right through the system. Nothing gets stuck in here, you know, nothing. It's so easy to clean. And in the event something did get stuck, the whole thing comes down. You just take 2 wing nuts off, and the whole thing slips down. So it's a really nice kit. you're going to really increase your performance. And I'm going to take you to some videos the guys and I put together for you just to do some comparisons. Stay tuned. The standard gutter outlet is just no good. It's a failed experiment. Look at that, jeez. Okay, that was a test with a standard 2x3 gutter downspout with a standard outlet. Now, let's install our torrential rain kit and bump it up to a 3x4 downspout and see what the performance is like. That is frickin' amazing. That is working great. That's sick. It's keeping up with you guys. You guys can't make it spill over the gutter? Man, that is awesome. Okay, so that was the French Drain Man torrential rain kit, where we open up the outlet of the gutter and we install a larger downspout. That's a 3x4, which we picked that up at the Home Depot. Look how nice that looks. We have our 3x4 that we picked up at Home Depot. We have the through bolt bracket mounted to the house, and you're going to see me take that through bolt out so that I can remove this to clean any debris. This is a simulation for a fall cleaning. You can do this several times a year, as many times as you want. You never have to get on a ladder. Very safe. And this through bolt is supposed to be at a 5-foot height. We put 2 of them on since I didn't have a through bolt at the bottom for our test. It's so easy a ditch digger can do it. So the kit includes the piece that's up fastened to the gutter trough, the piece that you attach to your standard 3x4 oversized gutter downspout that you can get at any building supply. We have a through bolt with a bracket, and you want that at 5 feet of height. And then there's a through bolt that's stainless steel as well at the bottom that you don't see here, but you've seen me holding at the beginning of this video, that goes into your corrugated pipe.